What's up YouTube, this is Tech Guy 21 back, and today I'm going to be unboxing the TP-Link 150 megabits per second Nano USB adapter. It comes with 2 years of warranty, and I picked this up from Amazon for about $9. The model number is TL-WN725N. So on the side, it's Windows 8 compatible, package contents, 150 megabits per second wireless and nano USB adapter, quick installation guide and resource CD. Now it's in French, compatible with Windows 7, Wi-Fi certified, picture of the nano adapter. Okay, standards IEEE 802.11b/g/n, frequency range 2.4 gigahertz, interface USB 2.0, wireless speeds up to 150 megabits per second, operating system compatibility Windows 7, Vista, and XP. The LED is a status light. Security supports WEP, WPA, WPA2, WPA-PSK, and WPA2-PSK. So on this side we got a QR code. When you scan it, it takes you to TP-Link's website and shows you all the info about this adapter. And here it says plug in and forget. So basically they're telling you plug it in, install the CD, and then you'll never need to worry about it ever again. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so first we got the nano adapter, and we can just take that out and we can push it. Here it is. It's really small. Okay, so here's the TP-Link resource CD, which we'll need to set it up, a quick installation guide in English, and last thing is a quick installation guide in French. So let's get into the setup. Okay, so I've just plugged in my TP-Link adapter, and I just inserted the disk. So now I'm gonna go to computer and DVD drive and press auto run. So now it gives me the choice of installing the drivers for the TL-WN723N or the TL-WN725N. So since I have the 25N, I'm going to choose install driver and utility. Now I'm going to need to press yes to accept TP-Link to install the drivers. Now it's time to choose your language, so I'm going to choose English and press OK. So now we have to press next, searching card, install the driver and utility disk. Press next, then next again, and then press install. So now it's going to install and configure all the utility and all the drivers, so the TP-Link wireless adapter is working. So now it's installing the utility. It will take a few minutes, please wait. So this may be a little bit more than usual since I am using Camtasia to record this. So I'm using a lot of disk space. I'm sure it would be much faster if I wasn't recording with Camtasia. So as you can see, the TP-Link wireless software shortcut is on my desktop. And now I'm going to need to choose between all the SSIDs. I'm going to choose my network. And now I'm going to need to press my network key. Put in my network key. So now it's connected to my wireless network, and now it's all connected. So now I can close this, finish. You can exit this, you can close this. Now you are free to open your disk and take it out of your computer. And now let's see what we can get with this adapter. So let's go on speed test. Okay, so speedtest.net was a recommended choice. Okay, so now we can make this full screen and begin test. So now it's searching for the best server, and this is my download speed. So download speed is about 8 megabits per second, and the upload speed is about just over 1 megabit per second. But I'm sure that's because I have a lot of connected devices on my network. So, for $8, this is a really good adapter if your internet antenna is not working or anything. It's a really good adapter for $8 on Amazon, and make sure to buy one if you need this adapter. It's a wireless and adapter, so it's not an AC or anything, and with 2-year warranty and everything. I think this is a really good adapter. Make sure to check out my written review on my website, www.techguy21.webs.com. Make sure to check out JFar175, and I'll also link this product and TP-Link's website down below in the description. This is TechGuy21 signing out. Peace.